Most millionaires don't look like millionaires. They're not the ones posting luxury vacations or upgrading their car every 3 years or broadcasting every financial win. They're the quiet ones, the ones who seem completely ordinary. And that ordinariness isn't accidental, it's a strategy. Because the fastest way to build wealth is to stop performing it. And today, I'm going to show you 14 moves quietly wealthy people use to build money in the background, without attention, without pressure, and without lifestyle inflation destroying their progress. And pay close attention to move number 9, because that's where most people leak thousands without realizing it. Let's get into it. Before we start, you need to understand something critical. Staying invisible with your money is a superpower. Because the moment people know what you earn or what you have, expectations change. You get asked for things. You feel pressure to maintain an image. You make decisions based on perception, not strategy. But when your finances are private, you operate freely. No pressure, no noise, just progress. And that's where everything begins. Move number 1. Automate before your brain gets involved, because willpower fades. Early in the day, you make rational decisions. Later, you justify spending. So remove the decision entirely. Set up automatic transfers the moment income hits your account. Invest first, spend what's left. That turns wealth building into default behavior. Move number 2. Never disclose your income or net worth, because information creates expectations. The moment people know what you earn, they start calculating what you should spend, what you should contribute, what you can afford. Quiet wealth avoids that completely. Stay vague, stay neutral, stay private. Move number 3. Drive a paid-off car, because car payments quietly drain wealth. $600 a month isn't just $600, it's lost opportunity. Over 10 years, that difference compounds into tens of thousands. Wealth builders optimize for long-term return, not short-term appearance. Move number 4. Exit social media flex culture, because comparison drives spending. Every post you see subtly pushes you to upgrade, and most people don't even notice it happening. Quiet wealth removes that influence. Less exposure leads to better decisions. Move number 5. Live below what you qualify for. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should. The more you stretch your housing or lifestyle, the less flexibility you have. And flexibility creates opportunity. Every dollar not spent can be invested. Move number 6. Freeze your lifestyle after every raise. Because income growth alone doesn't build wealth. Behavior does. Most people earn more and spend more, so nothing changes. Wealth builders hold their lifestyle steady and redirect the increase. Even 1 year of doing this can permanently shift your trajectory. Move number 7. Keep your investments boring. Because boring works. Diversified portfolios, consistent contributions, long-term focus. No drama, no chasing trends, just steady growth over time. Move number 8. Give anonymously. Because money is a tool, not an identity. When you give without recognition, you remove ego and expectation. You help others without changing how people see you. Move number 9. Audit your subscriptions. Because small costs add up fast. $10 here, $20 there. Before you know it, hundreds per month are gone. Money that could have been compounding instead of disappearing quietly. Move number 10. Build an emergency fund and keep it private. Because once people know you have a cushion, they factor it into their expectations. This money exists for your stability, and stability improves your decisions. Move number 11. Separate your assets when possible. Create structure, create distance, because separation creates protection, and protection creates peace of mind. Move number 12. Build multiple income streams quietly. Dividends, side income, cash-flowing assets. Individually small, but together powerful. And most importantly, invisible. Move number 13. Practice selective transparency. You can talk about money without revealing your numbers. Share ideas, share principles, but keep your specifics private because numbers change how people treat you. Move number 14. Space out your upgrades. When everything improves at once, people notice, and more importantly, your money doesn't get time to grow. But when upgrades are spaced out, it looks natural, and your investments keep compounding in between. So, let's bring this together. Wealth isn't about showing success, it's about building it. Quietly, consistently, strategically. Because the formula is simple. Privacy removes pressure, automation removes effort, consistency creates results. And over time, that builds real wealth. Not flashy, not obvious, but powerful. So don't try to implement all 14. Pick 3 and start this week. Because wealth isn't built in big moments, it's built in small decisions repeated consistently. If you found this valuable, hit the like button. And if you want to move from scattered decisions to structured wealth building, check out the tools linked below. They're designed to help you automate, simplify, and grow your finances without constant effort. And if you want to go deeper, make sure you subscribe because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build a portfolio that protects your capital while still growing it over time. I'll see you there.
Most people will watch this and go right back to the same habits. A small percentage will take action and quietly change their financial future. Decide which one you are. If you're choosing growth, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Because this channel is built for people who care about real progress, not visible success.